How to fix Instagram feedback required problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is open the settings, go to the apps, go to Instagram, click on notifications management, make sure that all the notifications are enabled like this, especially this badges option. Then go back, click on the permissions, make sure also that all the permissions are enabled. After that, go back again, click on force stop, go to storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Now open Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS, search for Instagram and then update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.